Hi all, good morning. So we are moving into the day three. Okay, am I audible? Please let me know in the chat. Okay, yeah. So first, hi Nisha, hi Teja, hi Ravinder. So let I need to how yesterday was because we planned yesterday and how it was. Please let me know in the chat also if you're feeling good, if you're feeling okay, or something was happened. So is it okay once we planned, right? So is it completed the following or anything? If you share in the chat, it will be more helpful. Okay. So don't worry. Then we are moving into the good morning. So we are moving into the first session. So first session we will need a meditation. So yesterday I shared the link, right? So the same link we can use. So I cannot share in the here because like it is containing the copyrighted one. So when I'm sharing in the YouTube, I'm getting the copyright. So I'm just again sharing in our group. Uh, we can do the 5 minute meditation. Okay. So then we can come back into the visualization. I have shared in the group, team plays on. And once we completed, we can move into the next session. We can plan our day, everything. Okay. Yeah. Team, have you completed? How is your feeling? Team, am I audible? Nisha, Tejas, Rajinder, completed. Are you feeling good or feeling some kind of blotting or something? So, because if you feel something, if you're blotting something, we need to extend our meditation to 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So, that also will help you become stable. And this is like a positive affirmation for the feels very good. Yeah. Actually, this is kind of a 5 minutes meditation, but tomorrow we can give the 10-minute meditation. So next will be we can coming into our visualization part. You can think like what are the achievements you can do in the next 6 months or next 1 year or next 5 years. So that is the first part. Yeah, then we can do the planning our day. Okay, just take a time. For example, 2 minutes of time. Just checking what are the things you want or what are the accomplishment you can need to done. Okay, so the 2 minutes visualization we completed. Then we are moving into planning our day. So we need to divide the, for example, the morning half and the afternoon half. What are the things? For example, in the morning we can complete whatever in the complex logic, some of the things or what we learn. So that is the first half we need to do. Then after the half, maybe you can take a nap time, and once you complete the nap time, you can get more energy. So, and that will help. So then, at least you can eat some kind of juices also in the morning time. It will more helpful. Okay. So once you plan the day, you can share in the group also. Okay. So that will be the today's. Maybe I already shared the schedules also, right? Take the copy of this one, and you can write these are the things I completed today. Okay, just try that also. Then once you create your notebook, for example, in the 10 a.m. to this much of time, what are the things you need to complete? First priority, you need to write. If you completed, give an S, and refreshment or any other thing. Then means office work and exercise for the then dinner before 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. You need to have your dinner. Then what are the things you want? Everything you just mentioned in the paper. So if you completed this one, you just give a tick mark. So that will be the process. So yeah, so that once you complete, please share in the group also. Okay, for the daily planner. Team, are you good with this one? Okay, yeah. So once you complete, please share. Yeah, thank you.